The fight against breast cancer has seen remarkable progress. Early detection and improved treatments have saved countless lives, yet the search for a cure continues. Scientists are now exploring a novel approach, a vaccine for breast cancer. This breakthrough could revolutionize cancer treatment. Imagine a future where we prevent breast cancer altogether. This is the promise of a breast cancer vaccine. Immunotherapy, which harnesses the body's own defenses, is at the heart of this revolution. It offers a targeted approach to eliminating cancer cells while minimizing harm to healthy tissue. The quest for a breast cancer vaccine is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of a healthier future. To understand how a breast cancer vaccine might work, we must first understand the immune system. Our bodies have a remarkable defense system. This system is made up of cells and proteins that work together to protect us from harmful invaders, such as bacteria and viruses. The immune system has two main branches, humoral immunity and cellular immunity. Humoral immunity involves B cells, which produce antibodies. These antibodies act like guided missiles, targeting specific invaders for destruction. Cellular immunity involves T cells, which directly attack and destroy infected cells. These two branches work in concert to keep us healthy. Scientists are developing two main types of breast cancer vaccines, therapeutic and preventive. Therapeutic vaccines are designed to treat existing cancer. They work by stimulating the immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells that have already taken hold in the body. One promising approach involves using dendritic cells, which are like the generals of the immune system. These cells are extracted from the patient's blood and trained to recognize specific proteins on the surface of cancer cells. These trained dendritic cells are then injected back into the patient, where they rally the immune system to attack the cancer. Another approach uses DNA vaccines. These vaccines deliver fragments of DNA that code for cancer-specific proteins. While therapeutic vaccines aim to treat existing cancer, preventive vaccines aim to stop it from developing in the first place. These vaccines, like those for measles or polio, would prime the immune system to recognize and eliminate cancer cells before they can form tumors. One strategy involves targeting viruses associated with breast cancer. For example, the human papillomavirus, HPV, is known to cause cervical cancer. Similarly, some viruses might play a role in breast cancer development. Another approach focuses on tumor-associated antigens. These are proteins found on the surface of cancer cells that can be recognized by the immune system. By training the immune system to recognize these antigens, a vaccine could potentially prevent tumors from forming. Section 5. Why breast cancer vaccines are difficult to develop. Developing a breast cancer vaccine is a formidable challenge. Unlike viruses, which have distinct foreign proteins, cancer cells arise from the body's own cells. This makes it difficult for the immune system to distinguish between healthy cells and cancerous ones. Furthermore, tumors are not static entities. They evolve over time, changing their protein makeup and developing ways to evade the immune system. This heterogeneity makes it difficult to create a vaccine that targets all cancer cells. Despite these challenges, scientists are making significant strides in overcoming these obstacles. Section 6. New techniques for stronger vaccines. Scientists are exploring various ways to enhance the effectiveness of breast cancer vaccines. One promising avenue is the use of adjuvants. Adjuvants are substances added to vaccines to boost the immune response. They work by stimulating the production of immune cells and enhancing their ability to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Another approach involves developing novel vaccine delivery systems. Traditional vaccines are injected into the muscle, but this method may not be the most effective for delivering vaccines to the immune system. Scientists are exploring alternative delivery methods such as nanoparticles and viral vectors, which can target vaccines directly to immune cells. These new techniques hold great promise for improving the efficacy of breast cancer vaccines. Section 7. Ethical considerations in vaccine development. The development and deployment of any new medical technology, especially one as potentially impactful as a breast cancer vaccine, raise important ethical considerations. Clinical trials are essential to ensure that vaccines are safe and effective. However, these trials must be conducted ethically, with the informed consent of all participants. The potential benefits of a vaccine must be carefully weighed against any potential risks. Furthermore, access to vaccines must be equitable, ensuring that all who can benefit from this breakthrough have the opportunity to do so. Open dialogue and collaboration among scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public are crucial to navigating these complex issues. Section 8. Global efforts and collaborations. The quest for a breast cancer vaccine is a global endeavor. Scientists around the world are working collaboratively, sharing knowledge and resources to accelerate progress. International organizations such as the World Health Organization and the International Agency for Research on Cancer play a crucial role in coordinating these efforts. Funding from governments, foundations, and private donors is essential to support this vital research. Public awareness and advocacy are also critical to ensure that breast cancer research remains a priority. The collective efforts of scientists, clinicians, policymakers, and the public are essential to realizing the promise of a breast cancer vaccine. Section 9. A future free from breast cancer. The development of a breast cancer vaccine is a complex and challenging endeavor. However, the potential benefits are enormous. A successful vaccine could save countless lives and alleviate the suffering caused by this devastating disease. While challenges remain, the rapid pace of scientific discovery and the unwavering dedication of researchers worldwide give us reason for hope. The future of breast cancer treatment is bright, and a vaccine may one day be a reality, transforming the lives of millions and bringing us closer to a world free from the threat of breast cancer.